Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a drugstore prom look using only 10 products. The first product I'm using is the Profusion Pro Face Palette, which is incredibly useful and only $13, and where the majority of my makeup will be coming from. I'm first dipping into the darkest brow shade available and filling in my brows using the IBODYOGRAPHY brow brush. I'm now using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1 to clean up my brows and prime my eyelids. I'll also be using this later on to highlight my face and conceal my under eyes. I love the doe foot applicator, and it's definitely my favorite drugstore concealer. I'm setting the concealer on my eyelids with the matte shade Joyous from the Profusion palette, and then applying some tape to the outer corner of my eye angled towards the top of my ear. My reason for applying the tape is so that my eyeshadow will have a sharp edge once I remove it. I'm applying the burnt orange shade called Unique to my crease and outer V, making sure that it's packed on next to the tape so that it will be really defined once I remove the tape. I'm now just taking the Morphe JH30 brush and blending out the top edge of the shade we just applied, and then I'm cutting the crease with the Morphe JH42 brush and the Revolution concealer. I'm creating a half cut crease, so of course I'm only taking the concealer about halfway across my eyelid, and then I'm using my finger to tap out the outer corner so that it blends into the eyeshadow. I'm then setting the concealer with the shade called Great, which is a matte beige color. Now to make this look more dramatic and smoky, I'm grabbing the black shade called Brave on the JH43 brush and packing this onto my lash line and along the edge of the tape. I'm now switching over to the JH40 brush and applying the black shade to my outer V and connecting it with the shadow we placed against the tape and lash line. Once I've built up the black, I'm applying some of the shimmery gold shade called Beautiful onto my lid. I'm placing this above the black on the lash line without taking it all the way up to the cut in the crease. Now for the big reveal, you can see after removing the tape, the eyeshadow has a nice sharp defined shape along the outer edge. I'm curling my lashes and then applying the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara which puts us at 3 products so far. I'm then applying the 4th and 5th products, which are the House of Lashes adhesive and the Ardell faux mink demi wispies lashes. Before moving on to my face makeup, I'm applying some of the concealer along the edge of the eyeshadow so that when I apply my face products, I won't have to go near that area, lowering the chances of smudging it. The 6th product I'm using is the Maybelline Hydrate Master Prime, and the 7th product is the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in shade 102. I'm blending my foundation out with a Real Technique sponge, which is my favorite method of blending foundation, and then I'm applying concealer afterwards because I find that it has better coverage that way. For concealer, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define, which I've used for so many different things throughout this look. The versatility of these products and all that you can do with makeup is truly amazing to me. Now I'm setting my face with the 8th product, the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth Powder in 110. Next, I'm using the Profusion Pro Face Palette for contour, highlight, and blush. I'm first contouring with the medium bronzer using the JH05 brush and also applying some of this to my nose to add some more definition to the center of my face. This palette not only has brow shadow, eyeshadow, and contour shades, but also 2 highlighter shades and 3 blush shades. I'm using the shade Innocent for highlight and the shade Fancy for blush. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm sweeping some of the shade Unique onto my lower lash line and then applying the No Intense Look Eye Pencil, which is the 9th product, to my upper and lower waterlines. I'm then buffing the lower waterline out a bit and applying some mascara to my lower lashes. To finish off my eyes, I'm popping on some of the highlighter shade Innocent to my inner corner and brow bone. Now for the 10th and final product, I'm using the Pixi Matte Last Liquid Lipstick in Really Rose. And that completes this look using only 10 drugstore products. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll have a wonderful prom. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!